and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I will be making another Mexican favorite, nachos. But not just any nachos, shrimp nachos. So stay tuned to take your taste buds on an adventure with these scrumptious nachos. This shrimp nachos recipe is a fun and delicious twist to traditional nachos. So let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need about 400 grams of shrimp, 1 packet of tortilla crisps, some cheese, I will be using gouda and mozzarella, a few sliced jalapenos, 1 sliced onion, 1 tomato diced, 1 avocado, some sour cream, some fresh cilantro, and some salt, pepper, and paprika to taste. Let's get nacho making. Step 1. Cook the shrimp along with the salt, pepper, and paprika spice until cooked through for about 10 minutes on medium heat. Step 2. On a baking tray, add the tortilla crisps, some cheese, jalapenos, and onions. Then set aside. Did you know that nachos were invented over 70 years ago by a guy named Nacho, hence the name nachos? Step 3. Scatter the shrimp over the nachos . And bake for about 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese melts at 180 degrees Celsius. In Mexico, nachos are called totopos. Step 4. Now slice the avocado. Then add it to the nachos. Along with the diced tomatoes and sour cream. Garnish with some fresh cilantro. And that's it! In just 4 easy steps. Delicious shrimp nachos. Time for the taste test. Wow! Definitely scrumptious and a definite must try. Wow, what a delicious treat! Well, I'm going to enjoy my nachos with my family, so I have to go now. But if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. See you all next time. Goodbye.